Hello everyone! Julia and Cherry are here. Today you will learn how to draw a Pusheen Valentine's card. So guys, what you will need for drawing Pusheen Valentine's card today? You will need paper, pencil and something to color with. It could be crayons, color pencils, markers, whatever you have at home. We wish you a happy drawing, guys! So let's start and have some fun! Okay guys, let's draw Pusheen Cat for Valentine's Day. And you can make a postcard of it just by folding a paper, or you can just make a beautiful picture and make it as a present. So first I will draw a big heart here, just for the card for Valentine's Day. So we will be drawing a big heart. Just draw as big as you wish. So it will be our Valentine's card. And now I will draw a Pusheen Cat inside. So I will put it almost in the center. So we will draw our Pusheen from the head, and let's draw a straight, a bit curved line here. And now let's draw a line up and down, up and down. And do you know that the Pusheen is a girl cat? So let's draw cute eyes, 2 circles, one and here another one. And now let's draw its cute smile. So we will draw a straight line in the center and just a curved line here and a curved line here, and we can draw a curved line for its tongue. So its cute face is ready. And now let's see where it will go, the body like this. I will draw a line, a straight line, and now let's draw a curved line going down. Pusheen is a fat kitty that eats really a lot, so it's really fat. And try to keep similar on this side, doing the same, like, and connecting the lines together. So and now we will draw its tail. It's a line going, curved line, and connecting it. And we'll draw 2 legs. So I will just rub it out, all unnecessary lines. Here it's really fat cat I have got. So I will draw a curved line, like curved semi-oval, and one more here for its legs. And now let's draw its hands curved over here and curved over here. So our kitty is holding something. So we will draw 2 lines for its whiskers and 2 lines here. Also Hello Kitty has its stripes, so she has 1, 2, 3 like semicircles, and on the tail also I will put 1, 2, 3. And now we will put 2 stripes on its back, and we can draw a heart here. So our Pusheen is holding a beautiful heart. Maybe it's just a present inside, so we can draw a ball inside. So I will draw a circle, curved semi-oval and curved line here, and just stripes connecting it, so to the heart. And we can draw 2 lines here, 2 lines, and connect them. So it's really cute present for somebody. And let's draw a little mouse here. So I will just draw a squished small oval here, and 1, 2, 3, 4 legs, a circle inside, 2 cute ears, and a wavy tail. So our mouse is ready and it's looking for present actually, so it will be happy to get this beautiful heart from Pusheen Cat. And we can write a message of I love you and some hearts. So I will draw 2 hearts here and 1 more here, and you can draw as many hearts as you wish. So I will draw some hearts here and maybe 1 small here as well. So it's Pusheen giving a present, and you can also decorate our heart with wavy lines like this, and you can also draw, if you wish, some hearts inside, or maybe just dots, or just to leave it like this, just to make it a really cute present. So, and now we will draw all around our heart, and it's really cute. And do you know, guys, that Pusheen's name is based upon the Irish word for a kitten, Pusheen. So it comes from an Irish name for a kitten. It's really a cute fact about Pusheen Cat. And she reads a lot, so I wouldn't be surprised if it's inside this heart she has some maybe sweets or some cookies inside to give it as a present for Valentine's Day. Maybe some chocolate. Why not? So I'm drawing the semicircles all around our heart just to make it look really cute and adorable. It's a really beautiful drawing we are creating today. So don't forget to share your beautiful artworks with me, guys. Like and subscribe the video to see my new videos which are coming each week. And all we have to do is just to color our Pusheen Cat. Okay, guys, let's color our Pusheen Valentine card. And I will color with dark gray. It's stripes, so I will color this one, and then we'll use light warm gray for the whole body of our Pusheen Cat. And now I will use just lighter gray for our kitty, and just coloring around, no rush here. It's a beautiful Valentine's postcard we are creating today, so it will be a beautiful present, or just a decoration for your room, or just a present, or just a beautiful drawing, why not? And here we go. So our kitty is so cute and really fat, because she eats a lot. And here we go, we almost color it. And now try to keep inside black lines, no rush here, take your time, enjoy shading. So I will use pink for its tongue, and also pink for the heart, and bright red for the bow. So it will be a pink heart here, and it's really cute and adorable, and I love our Pusheen Cat. So fluffy and cute. And also you can use pink for the ears, and we can color our mouse with gray, small and cute. And let's use bright red for bow. So look how cute is our Pusheen Cat, guys. It's really cute. And I will color all the hearts, leaving a little bit of space white for the spotlight to make it look like shiny. And I'm making a curved line and leaving a bit of white. And you can color with pink. Maybe we'll draw more hearts, and I will just use bright light purple for the curved lines. Just color it all purple. I love purple, so I will be just coloring with purple here. And you can use blue, or maybe you will decide to draw some hearts inside or dots, why not? I will just color purple, yeah, like this, trying to speed up the process and shading it fast and fast. I will correct with white pen somewhere here and here where I'm going out, just to remove it. And you can leave it like this or try to shade it with pencil. So, or you can use marker. I will be using pencil, just shading it all with light pink. And I use a bit of eraser just to a bit of smooth it, rub it out my pencil to make it smooth, like this. And I really love how we have drawn our Pusheen cat today. It's really beautiful and adorable, and I love this small little mouse. It's so cute. And look guys, how cute is our Pusheen Valentine's card. Well done guys, this is just the cutest Pusheen we have drawn today. Thank you for watching this video guys. We hope you enjoyed drawing Valentine's Pusheen card with us. And if you enjoy our lessons, please like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And don't forget to share your beautiful artworks with us. We love you guys. Thank you for watching. Stay safe. Bye bye.